in the drum. Thank you, Rickstar. My strong spender. Thanks, Squirt. Ligo ka, of course. Later na. Rickstar, how are you? This is my outfit check. I just finished doing my dishes. Washing dishes. Nobody special. Tiger, hello. Hey, play. Play. Thank you. Hey, you won. Thank you so much. Come on, thank you, Rickstar. Rickstar, my kiss me. You forgot my kiss me gift. Thank you. Nawala na siya because I tell him the kiss me gift. Just do it, hello. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. I'm the happiest girl in the morning, you know. Ooh, thank you, level 53. By the way, what's your name? You can tell me in the message inbox. Nobody special. Hello. You're special. Don't say that. Thank you, Alski, sa exclusive. Hello. Nobody special. I am not special to you. Yes. Let's do it. How are you? Well, I'm good. I'm just here chilling. I just finished the washing plates. Thank you, level 53. Yes. Come on, Din. This is I need my makeup now, so I can do. Thank you so much. Nag-PM ako sa'yo. Hindi ko makita. Salamat. Level 53, you're so good to me in this morning. No makeup needed. No, I don't like my face. Nobody. I need makeup to save my day, to save my face from bullying. There's a lot of bully here. Come on, de, kamesa sa. No, she's not. Just because you gave me a happy morning too. Oh, really? Hello. Yes, finish. Saba ba? Yes, ano man? Live ko. Gigil na. Magpa 3 stars ako, guys. My 3 star is... Where is my 3 star? Thank you. Ito. Come on din, I'm so sad. Thank you for coming. Nobody special. 30 left na lang. Level 53 for my 300. 30 beans. Good morning, what if? 30 beans na lang. Thank you, nobody special. Thank you for saying that. Hey, 30. 30 beans. Come on, really mean it. Talaga, you make my heart happy. Jeremy, morning. Sorry for my background. I don't wanna go outside. I'm stuck here. And just like here, it's very cold now when we're near to the water. Come on, baby, this is done. Okay, yeah, bisig nga. Ikaw yung hot bigo. Ha? Anong hot bigo? Oh, sa bigo, ano, not hot. Because I'm not hot. Matsuar, Keda, LFC, Lexus, just do it. Kanyar curve. Wag ganyan. Anong wag ganyan? Thank you, John, ano yun? John Levy. Thank you, John Levy. Monday kami sa Sir Jack, hello. Though she's not just a girl. No, of course, I am. EJ, hello. Thank you so much. Thank you, Levy. Level 53, thank you so much. You didn't tell me your name yet. Lexus. Thank you, Levy. Thank you so much, Levy 100. Kaya mo ba? Hello, Joshua. Magkano na yung beans ko? Did I reach 100? Ay, ano, 300? Simple hello. Want to see your stomach? Ah, you drop 1K. You drop summer. What? Ah. Gagi, kuya. Pinoy ka ba, kuya? Hindi ko yung make it hard in English. Ay! You suffer me. You make me suffer speaking English. Hindi Filipino. Come on, dear. Come on, sister. Paknaw. Paknaw? Paknaw. Hi, John. Hi, Ming. Angelic, Tiger. Thank you so much. Hello, it's against the light now. What about here? Smearing high. Thank you. Kamande kami sa Hoy, JF, ikikita ngayon, huwag mong utusan. Take a jet, guitar. Ang hot naman, kaya nga, hot dog. Kung mag-Bisaya ka, Bisaya ka. Mag-Tagalog, Tagalog ka. Leo, hello. Pizel. Pizel, thank you so much. Gusto mo ikikita, ano, JF. Huwag mong utusan, ha. Hindi ko masisisi ang sarili ko. Ganyan siya kabulak eh. Pizel, shoutout. Come on, they come. No, she's not just a girl. So love her. I'm okay, Roy. Sino Ano to? Spider. Wait lang. Ang daming comment. Hindi ko nabasa. Hello 40. Hello, what happened? How to get bullet message? Bullet message. Ano yan? Thank you guys. Where is Kuya? Are you still here, Kuya? No, she's not just a girl. Hi, John. Nawala na pala si Kuya. Mayor Carlos, hello, shout out. Hi, John. 300 na ako, guys. Thank you so much.